So people asking one question: what type of ads will be created using for Google AdSense? There are totally three types. Text with the image, article, and in-feed ads. Text with the image, article ad, in-feed ads. That is called, you can go for ad unit. In this ad unit, you can create your ads. So the ad will be showing for your previous existing your ads. If you're creating any new ads, approval time will be 24 hours to 72 hours. The ads will be text and display ad, in-feed ads, in-article ads. Suppose if people asking one question, what is mean by in-feed ads? I'll show you. Just go to your website. In your website, will showing for like this. This will be in-article ads. In an article mode, when converting here, it will be showing will be like this. Enroll now. Enroll now. They give one button is called. So everything. Suppose we'll come into this. I'll show for in-feed ad also. They show on your sites. In coming to your article part, this is called, please write down, in-feed ads. This is called nothing but in-feed ads. They're showing your content and click for your visit your site. We can totally display by the three type of ads simply. You can click for select. Each ad approval time will be 24 hours to 72 hours. Now click for ad. Just they're showing for new portal. Any ad size will be recommended. That is called responsive size. Any video, any ad will be created on by your AdSense. That always will be responsive size. Why? Because based on the size, they are resize your ads. They show on by your third-party website. Which website approved by your Google AdSense? The ad will be showing for your that website when creating for ads. In this one, what are the tests you will be required? Add your text style and add your custom channels and add your no ads available. You can add your option by using this option. First, add your name will be create ads 2019-20. My ad is a responsive. Click for save and get code. When the code will be entered for some other website, the ad will be active. The code will be not using properly. The ad will be does not active. So I'm close your. Suppose my ad is active or not. How to check? Now click for refresh your AdSense account. If ad is active, they showing for act. The ad is does not active. That means the code does not place any location. Means they're showing for new. They're showing for new option. See this one, ad unit. Or showing for new. Why? Because it does not active on my website for your code. When code will be placed the website, the ad will be approved, showing for active mode. See this one. Last edited April 11. This all will showing for proper days when ads will be created. So this is called create your ads by using three type of ads: text with image, in article, and in feed articles.